Hey everyone, my name's Krista, and tonight I am going to take you on one of my very favorite walks in Vancouver. We are at Spanish Banks, and we are going to walk to the end of Spanish Banks and then turn around and walk back. This place has amazing views, salmon creeks. You've got the ocean on one side, you've got Pacific Spirit Park on the other, and it is great people watching and just a really lovely place to come. So if you're visiting Vancouver or if you live here, definitely don't miss it.
We're starting where you can see that little blue hiking icon, and we're going to make our way west until we reach the end of the beach at the Spanish Banks Viewpoint. It's not a long walk, it takes about 40 minutes or so.
Steve always loves to count the freighters. Steve, how many freighters do you see out there in the bay?
12 tonight.
12 freighters. Is that low or high?
Low side.
I just never get tired of this view. Looking out over English Bay towards Bowen Island as we get to the end point here, the Spanish Banks Viewpoint. So we're at the Spanish Banks Viewpoint, kind of the end of the walk where we'll start heading back. Hey Steve, what do I always hope to see here?
Whales. Any whales today, Krista?
No whales today.
No whales today.
I've been here, I don't know how many times.
Thousands.
But I always look for whales.
Never seen one yet?
No.